Hey there, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video, I am going to show you how to send photos in Facebook Messenger. So let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the Facebook Messenger application and make sure to log into your current account. Also use the latest version of the app. After the app is open, go to the chat section at the very bottom. Here you can see all of chat conversation listed there. Find the exact person where you want to send photos. Simply tap on their name to open the chat menu. From the menu, look at the very bottom, find the gallery or image icon. Simply tap on it to open your gallery. After that, scroll down a little, find the all of photos and videos listed there. Find the one or multiple photo if you want to send them. Simply first tap on any single photo. After that, select any other or multiple photos if you want to send it. For this video, I am going to show to send photos at the same time. Then once you select it, both photo, tap on the send button at the bottom. And that's it, how you can easily send the photos on the Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care guys.